Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check product details on Mango. So let's get started. First, launch open your Mango application. Now tap on the search option and search for the product. Now select the product. Once you're on this page, swipe up. Now this panel is going to show up. To check product details on Mango, tap on Product Details option. And this is how you can check product details on Mango. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you're new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.